Hey guys, I'm Jonas. Today I'm going to show you a quick way to fix your pull rope that won't retract all the way. So today we're working on this Honda GX series engine, but the trick that I'm going to show you on how to fix these pull ropes will work on 90% of the small engines out there. So it doesn't matter what make or model it is, you should be able to do this trick to your engine. You need to start out by removing the pull rope assembly from the engine. These Honda engines just have 3 bolts that hold this cover on. Now that we've got this pull rope assembly removed from the machine, what you want to look for is a notch in the spool itself. Some machines have a notch, some don't. Either way, you should still be able to do this trick. What you want to do is push some of that rope up inside of your housing so that you can grab onto it and pull it up and get it slid in that notch. What that's going to do is allow you to spin this with that rope staying in one place. Now you can feel when you turn it one way it gets tighter and one way it gets looser. So you just need to turn it the way that it's going tighter, and just 1 or 2 turns is usually enough. And then stop where you can pull the rope back out of the notch and pull it back out. And then it should rewind all the way. Now you've got a nice and tight pull rope. Now this trick also works when you're replacing your pull rope. So if the rope actually breaks and you need to replace the rope itself, once you get the rope fed in there and tied your knot on the end, then you can do that to wind the rope up and get it as tight as you need to. Well, that's going to wrap it up for today, guys. If you got some good value out of this video, please hit that thumbs up button. Consider subscribing. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.